Ken Payne, Island Carpet Tile Hardwoods. I have another sad story. Nice woman who had a flood, doesn't want to spend a lot of money, doesn't really use the basement. She went to visit a big box store, which shall be nameless. When she went into the store, she went to the carpet department and she asked, "Can you help me? I want to buy some carpet." The woman said, "No, I'm sorry. I want help buying carpet." The woman looked at her watch, looked at her and said, "Do you know what time it is?" Well, it was after 6 o'clock in the evening and they were going to close in a couple of hours. My client was so upset, she went up to the front of the store and asked to see a manager. After about 10 minutes, the manager showed up and she said, "Look, I've had this experience. I really want to purchase a carpet for my basement." The manager said, "I can't help you." She said, "What?" He said, I can't help you right now." And that's how I wound up doing Mrs. So-and-so's basement. Now, when you come to Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods, not only will you find people eager to answer your questions, but there are people eager to ask you questions to find out what you really and truly want. We'll listen to those answers and we'll find exactly what you need in the store. That's the difference between Island Carpet and any big box store. Come see us at Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.